Ziglu is at the forefront of defining and delivering modern financial services. We offer what traditional banks can't, safe and simple crypto. And we are excited that the next 6 to 12 months will be our most prolific as we accelerate from startup to high growth. We're incorporating the great features that people love about challenger banks with the best of crypto. The last decade saw the rise of fintechs. Now Ziglu is at the forefront of defining what modern money looks like. Your cash, crypto and other investments all in one place.
With our app, we wanted to be thoughtful, and we took this core principle and applied it to our product design. We wanted everyone to be able to enjoy the benefits of crypto without being bamboozled. In the past year, we implemented a host of features that help you understand crypto more, including in-app highlights with educational and risk content, trading alerts and live pricing charts so you're always on top of the market. On the roadmap too, our Euro account with no trading fees and no spreads. The team and I are relentlessly building new features and dropping them into the app within the next few months.
I'm pleased to announce the extremely exciting news that Ziglu has also secured a license in Denmark for EMI and 5MLD. And so what this means is that we're the first regulated EMI to be in the UK and a European jurisdiction and also have a permanent crypto asset services registration. In the coming months, more than 500 million Europeans will soon have access to the great features and services that Ziglu has to offer. We're also planning our expansion further afield, which is driving the development of our broad FX offering. In the coming weeks, we're going to start with a Euro account where you can buy and send euros for no fee, and many more currencies to come.
As a fast emerging asset class, governments and regulators are continually developing their approach to cryptocurrency. At Ziglu, we lead the industry, putting trust, protection and customer security at the heart of the business from day one. It's our aim to help as many people as possible grow their money through safe, simple and fair access to cryptocurrencies and other investment opportunities. I'm excited to say that we'll soon be broadening our offering beyond cryptocurrencies, launching safe, simple and fair access to traditional investment products, including equities, commodities and funds.
In my former role at Monzo as head of legal, I saw the importance of building a cohesive community when rapidly scaling up a business. At Ziglu, not only have we built a strong community, we have brought together a world-class team who relentlessly work to deliver market-leading and innovative products. We now have over 50 talented colleagues across the world, bringing experience from some of the best-known fintechs, such as Starling, Tandem, Moniz, Funding Circle, and many others. We are excited about our journey as we continue expanding Ziglu into more territories and building even more exceptional product features. Become an investor and join us on our journey of rapid innovation and growth.